Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Let's start with a quick and easy DIY. In a large vase, I've filled the base with some Dollar Tree red gems, added some foam roses, filled it with water, and voila! DIY centerpiece completed. Moving on to the tablescape, I'm beginning with this beautiful ruby red tablecloth. On top of that, I'm coming in with all thrifted items. For my place setting, I'm starting off with these white square ceramic chargers. And on top of that, I'm placing some red clear plates with matching glassware that I got at an estate sale. Next up, these lacy white ceramic salad plates are also a thrift find, as well as the napkins. For my napkin rings, just a quick little DIY. I added some red heart ornaments to some gold Dollar Tree napkin rings and placed my white napkins inside. For my main centerpiece, I have this beautiful set of red votive candle holders, which I'm placing at the center and surrounding it with some organza, roses, and flower petals. I hope you love this one. Let me know what you think in those comments. And please make sure you watch all the way till the end because I have a second look. In the end, I replaced the white organza with some white placemats, which I've laid down as a runner. Came in with some gold flatware and these beautiful red and white coasters that I picked up in the Bahamas. I hope you like this look and it gives you inspiration. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays, where the ladies of Elegance bring you beautiful, awe-inspiring tablescapes every Tuesday at 6 p.m. And all this month, we will be bringing you beautiful, romantic tablescape inspiration for you and your sweetie to enjoy Valentine's Day. So stop by and visit the playlist for some awesome tablescape ideas. Now let's continue on to the second look. For the second look, I've kept the place settings exactly the same. I came in over the red tablecloth with a beautiful lace curtain panel, which I've used as an overlay. And then I replaced the place settings and the centerpiece and came back in with that organza and some red rose petals. I hope you like this one as well. Let me know in those comments which is your favorite. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And if you're not already, consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today. And a big thank you to all of my subscribers, both my new subscribers and those who have rode with me from the very beginning. Thank you all so much for your support and happy Valentine's Day. So until next time.